The mystery of dyeing arts, unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that captures both culture and urgency: dyeing arts. Stick around to learn about what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how to use it in conversation. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, dyeing arts, refers to skills, crafts, or traditions that are becoming less common or are in danger of being lost or forgotten in our modern age. The word, dyeing, here signals something that is on the decline or fading away, while arts encompasses a broad range of human activities that require skill and creativity. In this section, we'll explore a few examples of what might be considered dyeing arts. Traditional weaving techniques that are being replaced by machine production, handwriting styles like cursive that are used less often in the digital age, oral storytelling traditions that lose ground to books and electronic media, local dialects or languages that have few remaining speakers. These examples help illuminate the concept and give context to the phrase. Dyeing arts are significant because they represent the richness of human culture and history. Preserving these arts is important for maintaining cultural diversity and for the wealth of knowledge and skill they embody. When we speak about dyeing arts, we're acknowledging a loss but also expressing a hope to revive or sustain these valuable practices. Learning to use the phrase in English conversation or writing is an excellent way to enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few sentences. Handcrafting is a dyeing art that we should work to preserve. This documentary highlights dyeing arts from around the world. I'm taking a class in blacksmithing, an ancient craft considered by many to be a dyeing art. I hope this video has given you insight into the meaningful phrase, dyeing arts. It's more than just a term. It's a reflection on culture, history, and the changes in our societal practices. Keep this phrase in your language toolkit as you continue to explore the vast world of English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice your new phrases.